Your care team has identified you as someone with advanced lung disease who may benefit from learning more about lung transplant as a treatment option. This video will guide you through each phase of the process: referral, consultation, evaluation, and listing. This will help you to know what to expect at every step. I'm Maura Jordan, lead pre-lung transplant nurse coordinator, and I'll be helping you through the first part of your lung transplant journey. The referral process begins when you or your physician sends your contact and insurance information, along with your most recent medical records, to our lung transplant program. This helps us begin reviewing your case as soon as possible. Once we get your materials, our insurance team checks your plan's coverage and what is in network. At the same time, one of our transplant nurse coordinators reviews your medical records. After these steps, a member of our scheduling team contacts you to arrange your first appointment. We offer appointments at many convenient locations across the Chicago area, including the Streeterville and Old Irving Park neighborhoods of Chicago, DuPage County, Lake Forest, and Palos Heights. You can choose what location works best for you. When you come for your appointment, please bring a few key items to help us support you effectively: your photo ID, a current list of medications, any oxygen you use, a support person, and a list of questions you want to ask. We understand that the first visit can be overwhelming, which is why we've created written educational materials to help you. These resources are available in your MyNM patient portal, or we can email them to you. They help reinforce the information we cover during your visit. We encourage you to review them ahead of time and write down any questions. They're an essential part of your preparation. During this visit, you meet with one of our lung transplant pulmonologists, a specialist in advanced lung disease and transplant care. You also meet one of our nurse coordinators, like me, who will be your advocate and point of contact throughout your journey. Together, we'll discuss your medical history, whether a transplant is right for you, and any potential barriers. We will also give you a detailed overview of the transplant process, including the risks and benefits. Depending on your health needs, we may also schedule a few tests during or shortly after this visit. Please plan to spend about 1 to 2 hours with us during this visit. Afterward, we review your case at our weekly multidisciplinary team meeting. If the team agrees you're a good candidate for a lung transplant, you'll begin the next phase, evaluation. We designed the evaluation phase to give us a complete understanding of your health so we can decide if your body is ready for transplant surgery and the recovery that follows. You typically complete this part of the process over 5 to 7 days. You can have the evaluation at one of our locations across the Chicago area. This offers you flexibility and convenience. During this time, you will undergo a series of medical tests tailored to your individual health needs. No two patients are the same, and your evaluation will reflect that. You need to have 2 full-time caregivers to help you after surgery. This support is very important for your recovery after the transplant. During your evaluation, your nurse coordinator will stay in contact with you. They will guide you through the process and answer any questions that you have. Once you complete your tests, our team reviews your results during our weekly multidisciplinary meeting. Based on those findings, we decide whether to put you on the lung transplant waitlist. Your nurse or doctor shares that decision with you and explains its meaning and what comes next. Most patients go from evaluation to listing within 1 or 2 months, although the timeline may be different depending on your specific situation. If your care team decides that a lung transplant is the right treatment for you, they place you on the lung transplant waitlist. At this point, the timing of your transplant surgery depends on several personal and medical factors. In 2024, our average wait time was just 4 days. However, some people on the list may wait longer or shorter, depending on their condition and the availability of a donor match. Thank you for taking this first step in your lung transplant journey. We're honored to be part of your care, and we look forward to supporting you every step of the way.